What's going on, guys? Will here, back again with another video, and you may be wondering why I'm in a slightly different setting. Now, I have actually done a madness recently, but you'll hear more about that in the next few videos. But I just wanted to do an intro to this one because it's going to be quite a fun one. So to give you a bit of backstory, I haven't cleaned my car in about 4 months, like interior, exterior, everything. I just haven't cleaned it in the last 4 months, and it's just tragic. It's dirty, inside and out. It's got rubbish everywhere. So today's video is going to be me attempting to clean my car as best as possible. So a slight detailing video. You'll be able to tell in the video just how bad it is. But what we're going to be using is the Meguiar's cleaning kit. I love Meguiar's, I use them quite a bit. So we're going to be using that to try and tidy the car up a little bit, because Aurora the Audi doesn't deserve to be disrespected like that. But if you do enjoy the video, please remember to hit the like button, comment down below your thoughts, and then hit that subscribe button for more content as well. Why not ding dong that notification bell as well, and that'll let you know whenever I upload. So yeah, that's going to be today's video. There's going to be more videos coming shortly across the channel. I've got myself into a little bit of a rhythm now. So yeah, hopefully we can go forward and smash it. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I was an idiot and I forgot to put the windshield on the microphone. So every time I tried to do a recording clip of me like talking, just wasn't having it. So I'm going to be doing some voiceover clips here, just basically recording it and then gonna put it all together, and hopefully it looks okay. So bear with me. For the first step, what we've got to do is we've got to clean all of that dirt off the car. I mean, it's just so muddy. We need to just pressure washer all of it off as much as possible, just because there's no point in soaping it if there's still loads of dirt everywhere. So yeah, that's step one. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let's get this car clean. So now that we have cleaned most of the dirt off, we've got to soap it. We've got all of this muck still on there, which is stuck to the surface. We've got to soap it a little bit. So let's use the soap and basically see how much we can get off. So we're going to repeat this process a couple of times. So it's going to be like, wash the main of it off, soap it, wash the dirty soap off with water, soap it again, and then wash it again, and then finally dry it. So let's do the first round of soaping now, and then we'll clean it off and go again. Let's do it. So now that we have soaked the car, we've got all the dirt off as much as we can, we've tried our best, we need to dry it off. Now, when I was soaping it along, I did notice that my car definitely does need clay barring soon. I don't know when it was last done, I've never done it. But you can just hear the grit. Oh, it's not what you want. So we'll be doing that another day because I haven't got the stuff to do that today. So what we're going to be doing, I'm drying the car off now, let's go ahead and dry it, get this outside exterior cleaner looking fresh the way it should, and then we'll go from there. Let's do it.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. So say, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Cool, so now the exterior is all dry, it's all clean, it's looking fresh. I'm quite happy with it. Like I say, it does need a clay bar, but for what we've got and then the Macquire's cleaning kit that we've got, we've done pretty well. Now what we need to do is tackle this interior because there is rubbish everywhere. The dirty carpets are everywhere, so I've just bought this new wet and dry hoover as well to be able to hoover my car and actually keep it clean along the throughout the channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys on the other side and we'll see how it looks. Just before we tackle that interior, if you are enjoying the video, please remember to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new around here as well to stay around for future uploads. If you want to get notified for those uploads as well, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's do it.
Look at the state of that, all from here. Oh yeah, this is looking so much nicer now. These things are perfect. Add a little microfiber, all sorted.
And there we have it, guys. My car's clean on the outside, it's clean on the interior. I personally feel like I've done a good job considering it hadn't been cleaned in 4 months. I feel like we've done well. I definitely feel like we need to go over it again in maybe like a week's time and just not let it get into that state again because that was ridiculous. We can't keep doing that to good old Aurora. But if you did enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts. Also subscribe to stay around here as well. We're so close to hitting our target of 1,000 subscribers. We're about 150, 170 away. So please hit that subscribe button, stick around for more content, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.